Hey, thank you so much for coming onto my page. My name's Andrew Tran. I'm a marketing, branding, strategist, and podcaster. I help brands navigate the challenges that they're facing, realize their brand purpose, and develop value for their customers. I do that through teaching leaders and teams how to reframe the issues that they're facing in order to develop the right solution and become more efficient, effective, aligned to their business objectives, and more importantly, measure their deliverable. You can find out more information by heading out to my website. It's www.andrewtran.asia, or look me up on LinkedIn as well. I post interviews with leaders and experts in Asia and around the world to find out what their style is, why is it effective, and get them to provide some advice, tips, and tricks that will help you with your business today. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, click notification. It helps me a ton when it comes to the algorithm and all that. And I will see you in the next episode.